It's all set, all hooked up, fluid's all in it, ready to go. Just wanted to recap what's required to put this 14 bolt under this old 1970 Chevy. 14 bolt, you'll have to add these trailing arm perches and a panhard handle kit onto the axle. You'll have to get a little creative with your brake line, because the other one came out in front of the axle. I use a 30-inch, my 1/4-inch brake line bended up to the back here to hook the new hose up. You'll need to shorten your drive shaft. I shortened this up 1 3/4 inch. Went in real nice, and then play around with your emergency brake cable. That'll need to be shortened up. I think it's about 6 inches is what I ended up taking off the old one. And then I was able to get a swaged end for that. Just used the old cable, just re-swaged it and on it. And then you'll need the new lug nuts. This hub, 9/16 lug nuts. I believe the other ones were halves. With the tire that came off the Eaton, fit right on there, the wheel. So that was good. I was kind of worried about the hub diameter, and of course the holes for the wheel studs. Let's give it a try. See what happened. Battery looks a little low. I haven't started this in a while. Okay, let's go for second gear. Sounds pretty smooth, feels pretty smooth. I think we get some nice weather, we'll swap around these two, take it for a run. Very good, I'm excited. Thanks for watching.